Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert Sunburst chart in Excel. So very easily you can insert it. So firstly you need to select your area and click on insert, and this chart symbol, just click on it, and more pie charts, just click on it. Now in this all charts you see here this list. So you find here this Sunburst. So just click on it, this chart. So just click this chart and click on here this OK. Just click on OK. Now you can very easily insert this chart, and you can increase or decrease this size, this chart table size, by this drag and drop it. You can increase and decrease. Need to simply click this small dot and increase and decrease. So very easily you can, and you can more customize it like style, color or more. So very easily you can insert this chart. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.